made this work. I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away.
Beautiful babes, hello, hello, and welcome back into Sugar Fingers. It's your girl, Sweet Angel, and we are steady pouring out the tips on healthier nails. And you know, healthier nails start with healthier cuticles. Now listen, I have tons of great at-home treatments that I can share with you, but we're going to take it one at a time today and go over the great benefits of mayo. That's right, mayonnaise for your cuticles. Now, before we get started, please, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, do that now. Turn on your bell notification so the next time I upload, you'll be in the know. Now, let's get to it. To keep the cuticles of your nails super soft, check this out. Just pour mayonnaise into a small bowl and submerge your fingers in it for about 5 minutes. Now, keep the bowl covered in the refrigerator. You just want to make sure that no one uses it for your sandwiches. And you can repeat this every day until you get the amazing looking cuticles, super soft cuticles that you desire. Yes, indeed. It is just that simple. Beautiful babes. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, bringing you a wonderful tip for today that you can get started on right away. Listen, if you want to know more of these tips, just make sure you subscribe and hit that bell and you will be in the know each and every time I upload. Thanks a lot, and I appreciate you hanging out with me time and time again. Remember to keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. And I will see you all on the next video. Take care until then. Bye now.